Hi, I'm Marquita, and I'm doing Miley Cyrus's Flowers. Now, there's no big production, there's no mixing, there's no auto-tuning, so this is what happens in the studio before the people coming in, the engineers, the producers, start changing things, okay? So it's very raw, but guess what? Is to show you exactly how vocals are, how you can have your own sound and make it come out really great, and then they're going to do their sparkle and it even be better. Okay? So, here we go. We were young, we were gold, kind of dream that can't be sold. We were right till we weren't. Built a home and watched it burn. Didn't want to leave you, didn't want to lie. Started to cry and I remember I could buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, say things you don't understand. I could take myself dancing, I could hold my hand, I could love myself better than you can. Love myself better. Love myself better. Paint my nails cherry red, match the roses that you sent. No remorse, no regret. I forgive every word that you said. Didn't want to leave you, didn't want to lie. Started to cry, then I remembered I could buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, say things you don't understand. I could take myself dancing, I can hold my hand, I can love myself, I can love myself, I can love myself much better. Love myself better. I can love me now so much better, better. I can love myself better. Well, thank you so much for listening. And because you listened all the way to the end, I have a free ebook for you. It's an ebook of my book, I Will Not Grow Weary. So go to MarquitaWaters.com and fill out your information, and I will send you an email that will have a link to the ebook. Now remember, you got to put your info in there, and in the contact, you've got to say book, okay? All right, great. Thank you so much. Oh, don't forget to leave comments, subscribe, okay? Thanks. Okay, bye-bye.